Hey there, financial adventurers. Welcome back to Advice Hour, where we turn personal finance into a fun and engaging experience. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic: understanding what your net worth should be by every age and how to achieve it. Whether you're just starting out or planning for retirement, we've got practical advice to help you hit those financial milestones. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk net worth. It's the total value of your assets. Think cash, investments, your vintage comic book collection minus your liabilities, like student loans or credit card debt. Now, let's see where you should be at each stage of your life and how you can get there. In your 20s, you're probably living off ramen noodles and big dreams. It's normal to have a low or even negative net worth. The goal here is to build good financial habits. By the end of your 20s, aim to have a net worth equal to half to one full year's salary. So if you're making $40,000, target $20,000 to $40,000. How do you get there? Start by creating a budget, saving a portion of your income, and avoiding unnecessary debt. Consider starting an emergency fund and begin contributing to a retirement account, even if it's just a small amount. Now, let's talk 30s. It's time to get serious about adulting. Focus on paying down debt and ramping up your savings. A solid target is 1 to 2 times your annual salary by 30. If you're earning $60,000, that's $60,000 to $120,000. By your mid to late 30s, aim for twice your salary. To achieve this, increase your contributions to retirement accounts, invest in a diversified portfolio, and consider purchasing a home if it makes financial sense. Remember, consistency is key. In your 40s, you're probably hitting your stride in your career and juggling family life. Aim for a net worth of 3 to 4 times your annual salary by 40. So, if you're making $80,000 a year, aim for $240,000 to $320,000. How can you reach this? Focus on maximizing your retirement contributions, paying off any remaining high-interest debt, and investing wisely. Start planning for your children's education if you have kids, and review your financial plan regularly to stay on track. Welcome to your fabulous 50s. Retirement is getting closer, but so are those bucket list vacations. By now, aim for 6 times your annual salary saved. If you're earning $100,000, you should have around $600,000. To get there, ensure your investment portfolio is well diversified and aligned with your retirement goals. Consider paying off your mortgage, if possible, and catch up on retirement contributions. It's also a good time to consult a financial advisor for a retirement readiness check. In your 60s, it's time to start enjoying the fruits of your labor. Retirement. Ideally, you'll have 10 times your annual salary saved by this point. If you're making $100,000 a year, aim for a net worth of $1 million. To achieve this, continue to manage your investments wisely. Consider your retirement income sources and plan for healthcare costs. Reassess your retirement plans regularly and make adjustments as needed to ensure a comfortable, stress-free retirement. Remember, these numbers are just benchmarks. Life can be as unpredictable as a plot twist in your favorite show. The key is to stay informed, adaptable, and proactive about your finances. So, how's your net worth journey going? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on mastering your money. Thanks for watching, and remember, your financial future is in your hands, so make it a great one. Until next time, keep laughing, keep saving, and keep living your best financial life. Take care.